Welcome to this episode of ECGs Made Simple. Now, if you're just stumbling across this video, make sure you subscribe and check out the other episodes. With that out of the way, let's get started. Now, you don't technically need to understand vectors to understand EKGs, but I feel like the why is important. So you're not just memorizing little squiggly lines on the monitor, you really understand what's going on. So we're going to use an example of a 911 call. So you get called to Miss McGillicuddy at 123 Easy Street. You arrive on scene, you load her up, you realize, oh, she's critical and unstable. We need to get her to the hospital. So you and your partner plot a path to the hospital. You've been in this zone for a while, you know the district, and you know the best route there. Get her loaded up, and you travel east and then south for a little bit, east for a little bit, south, east, south, and you arrive at the hospital. To get Miss McGillicuddy to the hospital, we never traveled on a road that went southeast. We traveled east and we traveled south, but our overall average direction was southeast. Well, the heart is the same way. Even though that electricity travels in different directions at different parts of the heart, its overall average direction is southeast. And that's it for this episode of ECGs Made Easy. Now, to catch our other episodes, go ahead and click right here, and I'll see you over there.